Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad, and today our class is about chapter number 13. Chumal is weekend and Hwaldong is activity. She is saying Irioil A. Mo halkoyeyo. Irioil Sunday mo what? Halkoyeyo, this is future tense. What you will do on Sunday. Chingu hago with friends. Thakku is table tennis. Chilkoyeyo, I will play. OV number 1. About Chumal Havaldong weekend activities. Chukku is football. Chukku Hada, playing football. Halsiral Hada, this is workout. Thakku Ral Chida, this is play table tennis. Undong, exercise. Moim is meeting. Kohyang Saraman Mannada, to meet hometown people like your home country people and friends. Kohyang Umshik, home country food. Mokda, eating. Chingu Chebal Phangmun Hada. Chingu Chebal is friend home. Phangmun Hada, visit. Chungyo is religion. Sangwal, life. Kyohwe is church. Chol is temple. Savon is mosque. Khada, go there. Khidoral Hada, this is pray. Yebul Lal Thrida, this is to attend a Buddhist service. Now Hushik is a relaxation. Nachamal Chada is sleep at daytime. Pishibang E so Gamal Hada, play a game in PC Bang. Nore Bang E so Noreral Purda, to sing a song at Croak Room. Undong Jang is playground. Helsjang is a gym. Thakkujang is a table tennis hall. Now we have exercise. Fogi is Undongjang e so mo heo, what you do in playground. Chukkural heo, I play football. Number 1. Chib e so mo heo, what you do in your home. Nachamal heo, I sleep daytime. Number 2. Pishibang e so mo heo, what you do in Pisibang. Pisibang e so game heo, I play game in Pisibang. Number 3. Kyohwe e so mo heo, what you do in church. Khido heo, I pray. Number 4. Chingu chebe so mo heo, what you do in your friend's home. Kohyang shikal mogoyo, I eat my home country food in my friend's home. Now we have munfab number 1. Koyeyo, this is future tense. If the last letter of your word ends with a consonant, then you will add al. Koyeyo. If vowel, then you must attach under that word real, then oyo. In the case when there is also real available, then just put koyo. Like mokda ended with a consonant, then we will say mogal koyo, I will eat. In khada we have last vowel, then we attach real under the vowel. It will be khalkoyo, I will go. There are also some examples like pabal mogul koyo, I will eat food. Ki suksa e so shilkoyo, I will take rest in my room. Kohyang shikal mandal koyo, I will make my home country food. In mandal koyo, you can see the last letter is already real. Just put koyo. Now we have exercise about future tense. Phogi is chumare mo halkoyo, what you will do on weekend. Kisuksa eso Hanguk o. This is Korean language. Kungbu is study and this is Hada format. In Hada format, in the last we have vowel. That's why we attach real then koyeyo. Halkoyeyo. I will study Korean language. Number one. Chonyoke mo halkoyeyo. What you will do in evening? Hugeshil eso. Game halkoyeyo, because game is also hada format. That's why we will say halkoyeyo. I will play game in lounge. Number two, ne il mo halkoyeyo. What you will do tomorrow? Chingu hago with my friend. Kukjang is theater. Eso Yonghuaral Pulkoyo. In this format, we have Poda. That's why we attach real first, then Koyeyo. I will watch movie with my friend in a theater. Number three, Chumare mo halkoyo. What you will do on weekend? We can say Chingu chib eso. Pangmun halkoyeyo. This is also Hada format. That's why halkoyeyo. I will go to my friend's home. Number four, Thoyoile mo halkoyeyo. What you will do on Saturday? We can say Thakkural chilkoyeyo, because Thakku is chida. That's why we add chilkoyeyo. I will play table tennis. Now there is also a phogi, and this is a weekly routine of a person. So you can make your own sentences in phogi, like Iriore mo halkoyeyo. What you will do? Kohyang saramdal mannal koyeyo. You can see here. I will meet my country friend. Now we have Theva number 1. Let's listen.
니찬한 씨는 주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
Nichanan Shinan Chumare on weekend mo what halkoyeyo you will do.
저는 태국 식당에 가서 고향 음식을 먹을 거예요.
Chonan I. Teguk is Thailand. Shikdang restaurant. Khaso. I will go there. Kohyang my country. Umshik food. Mogul koyeyo I will eat.
다린두 씨는 주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
Tharindu Shinan Chumare on weekend mo halkoyeyo. What you will do?
저는 친구를 만날 거예요.
Chonan I. Chingu friend. Mannal koyeyo I will meet my friend.
친구하고 탁구를 칠 거예요.
Chingu hago with my friend. Thakkural table tennis. Chilkoyeyo I will play.
다린두 씨, 그럼 주말 잘 보내세요.
Tharindu shi krom. Therefore, chumal weekend chal bonesyo. Have a good weekend.
니찬한 씨도요.
Nichanan shi toyo. You too, Nichanan. Now we have two questions. Nichanan shinan chumare odiye khalkoyeyo. Where is Nichanan going on the weekend? So we can add this line. Nichanan shinan Teguk shikdang e khaso kohyang shikal mogul koyeyo. This is our answer. Number two, Tharindu shinan chumare nugural mannal koyeyo. So we can give answer like Chingural mannal koyeyo, because he want to meet his friend Chingural mannal koyeyo. This is our answer. Now we have a practice. Neil mo halkoyeyo. What you will do tomorrow? So we add first this word. Pishibang e halkoyeyo. I will go to Pisibang. Pisibang e so mo halkoyeyo. What you will do in Pisibang? Now we have this word. Game hada. Game halkoyeyo. I will play game. Now we have to make our sentences like Nel mo halkoyeyo. What you will do tomorrow? We have this word. 헬스장 갈거예요. I will go to a gym. 헬스장에서 뭐 할 거예요? What you will do in gym? Now we have this word. 헬스를 할 거예요. I will exercise. Now there is a pronunciation. Just listen.
1. 두다,
두다,
되다.
되다,
2. 다리,
다리,
바다.
바다. Now we have OV number 2 about 기분 is mood and 상태 is feeling. 시간 is time, 있다 is have. 시간이 있다, to have time. 시간이 없다, to not have time. 일이 많다, have a lot of work. 일이 적다, to have a little work. 약속이 있다, to have an appointment. 약속이 없다, to not have any appointment. 바쁘다 is busy and 한가하다 is free. 기분이 is mood, 추다 is good, good mood. 기쁘다 is to be happy. 슬프다 is sad. 피곤하다 is tired. Now we have also some important words. 재미있다 is interesting. 즐겁다 is enjoyable and excited. 심심하다 is boring. 술 is alcohol and तेजी खोगी is pork. Now we have an exercise. 포기 is 시간이 있어요. Do you have time? 아니요, no. 시간이 없어요. I don't have time. Number 1. 약속이 있어요. Do you have any appointment? 아니요. 약속이 없어요. I don't have any appointment. Number 2. 일이 많아요. Do you have a lot of work? 일이 적어요. I have a little work. Number 3. 기분이 좋아요. Your mood is good. 아니요, no. 기분이 나빠요. And you can also say 슬퍼요. I am very sad. Number 4. 바빠요. Are you busy? 아니요. 한가해요. I am free. Now we have 문법 number 2. 못 is cannot. So there are some examples you can understand. 시간이 없어서, because of no time. 친구를 못 만나요. I cannot meet my friends. So 못 is cannot. 바빠서, because I am busy. 밥을 못 먹었어요. I not eat food. 비가 와서, because of rain. 운동 못 해요. I cannot do exercise. Now there is a practice about 못. 술 is alcohol. 마시다 is drink. So this is 저는 술을 못 마셔요. I cannot drink alcohol. Now there is 한국어, Korean language, and 읽다 is reading. So 동생은 my brother. 한국어를 못 읽어요. My brother cannot read Korean language. Number 2. तेजी खोगी is pork meat. 먹다 is eat. 형은 my elder brother. तेजी खो기를 못 먹어요. He cannot eat pork meat. Number 3. Oath is cloth. 다리다 is ironing. 다림이 iron. खोजन is out of order. 나서, because of. 다림이 is out of order. 옷을 못 다려요. I cannot ironing my clothing. Number 4. 출근 is to start work. 하다 do. 아파서, because I am ill. 회사에 in company. 출근을 못 해요. I cannot do work. Now there is an exercise. 포기 is 주말에 weekend 호향 my country 친구 my country friend 만나요. Will you meet your country friend on weekend? 아니요, no. 시간이 없어서 because of no time. 못 만나요. I cannot meet. Number 1. 오늘 today 영화 movie 봐요. Will you watch movie today? 아니요, no. 바빠서 because I am busy. 못 봐요. I cannot watch. Number 2. 어제 쉬었어요. Did you take rest yesterday? 아니요. 일이 많아서 못 쉬었어요. Because of heavy work, I did not take rest. Number 3. 오후에 after PM 축구해요. Can you play football with me? 아니요, no. 피곤해서 축구를 못해요. I cannot play football because I am tired. Number 4. 공원에서 in the park 산책했어요. Did you walk in the park? 아니요, no. 비가 와서 산책 못했어요. Because of rain, I not walked in the park. Now we have conversation number 2. Let's listen.
아지자 씨, 오늘 친구를 만날 거예요?
아지자 씨, 오늘 today 친구를 friends 만날 거예요. Will you go to meet friends?
아니요. 친구가 너무 바빠서 못 만나요.
아니요, no. 친구가 my friend 너무 very 바빠서 very busy 못 만나요. I cannot meet.
그럼 뭐 할 거예요?
그럼 therefore 뭐 할 거예요? What you will do?
기숙사에서 책을 읽을 거예요.
기숙사에서 in my room 책을 book 읽어요. I will read.
다라 씨는 뭐 할 거예요?
타라 씨는 뭐 할 거예요? What you will do?
어제 일을 많이 해서 피곤해요.
어제 yesterday 일을 my work 많이 very much 해서 because of 피곤해요. I am tired.
오늘은 쉴 거예요.
오늘 today 쉴 거예요. I will take rest. So there are two questions. Number 1 is Aziza 씨는 오늘 친구를 만날 거예요. Is Aziza going to meet a friend today? 아니요, no. 친구가 너무 바빠서 못 만나요. This is our answer. Number 2. 타라 씨는 오늘 뭐 할 거예요? What is Tara going to do today? So we can say 피곤해서 오늘 쉴 거예요 because he is tired. He will take rest. Now we have an exercise with these words. So 주말에 on weekend 친구를 friends 만났어요. Did you meet? 아니요, no. 친구를 못 만났어요. I did not meet my friends. 왜 못 만났어요? Why you not meet? 일이 많아서 because of heavy work. 못 만났어요. I did not meet. Now we will make our sentences with these words. 주말에 청소를 했어요. Did you do cleaning on weekend? 아니요, 청소를 못 했어요. I didn't cleaning. 왜 못 청소했어요? 왜 못 했어요? Why didn't clean? 청소기가 고장이 나서 못 했어요. Because vacuum cleaner is out of order, I did not cleaning. Now we have useful expression, so let's listen.
주말 잘 지내셨어요?
주말 잘 is better. 주말 is weekend. 지냈어요 is you spent. This is past tense.
주말 잘 지내셨어요?
주말 잘 지내셨어요? Did you have a good weekend?
네, 고향 친구들을 만나서 재미있게 놀았어요.
재미있게 놀았어요. Yes, I had a great time meeting my hometown friends.